Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can move contact from phone to SIM card on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get started. First thing first, we can open our contact application, and after we have this contact application opened, we can click these three lines, and here we have some options guys. Then you have to choose manage contact. Alright, and since we want to move contact from phone to SIM card, we can choose move contact and we can click on phone right here. Then here you can select the contact you want to move to your SIM card. If you want to select all of the contact in your phone, you just need to click on all right here. And I'm going to move all my contact in my phone to my SIM card. Then we can click on done. And here you can choose the SIM card you want to move your contact to. You can select either SIM 1 or SIM 2, and I'm going to move it to my SIM 1. You can click on SIM 1, then click on OK. Okay, and we can scroll down, then just click on move. And now the contact are being moved to my SIM card. And we just need to wait until the process has completed. Alright guys, and that's how we can move contact from phone to SIM card on Android. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.